Hi everyone, I have been geeking out on these poppets. Oh my gosh, we got these from Costco at Christmas time and I just love it. So I'm gonna geek out on it real quick. You could like play games with this. You could see who could pop the poppets the fastest. We'll probably have a video coming up where me and the kids compete, but see, you can separate it, then flip it over, and like two people can play. I am trying to see how fast I can do this. I'm done.
On the other side.
Do you want to do it? Put it like this.
Okay, so let's race.
Ready? Wait, go. Oh boy, oh boy, pick up the speed, you got this. Ah! Looks like Lily. Oh, so close. Roman! Okay.
Let's start over.
We're gonna start over. Okay?
So come on and pass them off. I'm trying to win.
Okay, Roman, there's a lesson here.
No, Roman, let me show you something. Do this. Oh, Roman.
Okay, I understand. Hey, I understand you're frustrated, but listen, what if Lily lost and she got all mad and crazy? Wouldn't it be weird? Wouldn't you feel uncomfortable?
Let me win.
It's okay.
I'm gonna go slower. This time I'm gonna stop.
Meanwhile, yeah, our dog is a dork. Hey, Timmy. You a good boy? You a good boy? You're a good boy, aren't you? Okay, back to the game.
Do something. I'm going slower. I'm going to do one finger now since two fingers are faster.
Next time, Roman, you gotta say, good job, Lily. Maybe next time I'll win. I know, but you have to learn to.
I'm sorry. I got one more to go. How are you doing, Mommy?
It's doing pretty good, honey. Oh, slow. Did you win? Did you do it, Roman? Good job.